Mini Pupper Robot. Your new adorable and clever robot companion. This open-source ROS robot dog kit is making waves, backed by big names like the Robot Operating System and Raspberry Pi. Picture this, a cute, smart robot friend that can use just one camera sensor to detect objects. And here's the kicker, it's not just limited to that. This kit also supports the official 3D camera module from OpenCV. Endorsed by tech giants and media outlets, the Mini Pupper is ready to be your pint-sized tech buddy. Lumo Robot. The amazing self-balancing transporter by Segway is not just a ride, it's your tech-savvy companion. A robot with a personality, Lumo's got it. With its playful expressions, Lumo brings joy to your day. But that's not all. Powered by Segway's expertise, it smoothly glides wherever you go, thanks to its self-balancing magic. What makes it even cooler is the brainy AI inside, featuring Intel RealSense. This tech marvel captures videos, follows you around effortlessly, and responds to your touch and voice commands. Taxi Garage Crazy Cart. Your ticket to 40 minutes of non-stop excitement. Be able to cruise at up to 12 miles per hour, wind in your hair, and a grin on your face like a carefree baby. What makes this ride a game changer? Well, it's got a variable speed foot pedal that gives you pure, uninterrupted adrenaline. But here's the kicker, the Pro-Style Drift Bar. It's not just a bar, it's your key to controlling those epic drifts, spins, and corners. Now, you can race your buddies, take those corners like a pro, and have an absolute blast. The Taxi Garage Crazy Cart isn't just a ride, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Woze Mini Chainsaw. Your new go-to tool for hassle-free cutting. Packed with a brushless pure copper motor, this mini cordless chainsaw delivers less heat, lower noise, longer life, and higher efficiency. Be able to effortlessly tackle any branch or tree with this super handy device, a must-have for every man. It's not just a chainsaw, it's a paradigm shift in convenience. No more struggling with noisy, bulky tools. The Woze Mini Chainsaw is compact, powerful, and ready to make your cutting tasks a breeze. Hydrofoiler XE1. It's not your typical ride, it's the world's first hydrofoil e-bike, bringing the joy of cycling to the open water. Cruising above the waves, replicating the cycling experience like never before. And guess what? This aquatic marvel hails from the stunning shores of New Zealand. Envision the thrill of gliding above the chop and swell, enjoying a completely unique mode of water mobility. Designed and developed with passion, the Hydrofoiler XE1 is all about turning your water adventures into an unforgettable experience. Adventure Mate AM-V2 Multi-Tool. Your all-in-one outdoor ally. This versatile tool is a game-changer, packing a punch with its axe for splitting and chopping firewood, a saw for pruning branches, a shovel for digging out of snow or mud, a hammer for securing your tent, and a hook that doubles as a pot lifter and tent peg puller with a convenient bottle opener. Have all these functionalities in just one tool, talk about convenience. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring the great outdoors, the Adventure Mate AM-V2 has got you covered. Amphipowered Bionic Monoven. The ultimate aquatic adventure at your feet. A bionic fin with a built-in propeller that you simply strap on. The magic happens when you flex the fin, it activates the motor, propelling you through the water with the grace of an ocean creature. What sets Amphi apart? Complete freedom. You can swim effortlessly, enjoying an unobstructed view while your hands are free to explore the wonders beneath. It's not just swimming, it's a whole new underwater experience. Dive into the future of aquatic exploration with Amphi, where every swim is an adventure. WowCube. The mind-blowing entertainment system that's changing the game. The first-in-class immersive reality console that lets you dive headfirst into the digital world, making it feel like a real object you can twist, shake, and tilt. And guess what? The Black Edition takes it up a notch with a whopping 20 games. Yep, you heard it right, 20 games to keep the fun rolling. It's not just a gaming platform, it's a whole new way to experience the digital universe. Desktop Robot Arm. the world's first universal desktop robot arm kit that adapts to all your creative endeavors. A device that effortlessly morphs into a 3D printer, laser engraver, and beyond, giving you the power to bring your ideas to life. DexArm is all about simplicity. DIY your own modules, seamlessly integrate them into your projects, and let your creativity run wild. But here's the magic. Rotrick Studio comes to the rescue with all the functions you need to effortlessly control DexArm, making it a revolutionary tool for makers and creators everywhere. Kisia 5Fish Go is a revolutionary tool for underwater exploration. A sleek underwater robot with an innovative modular design that comes with upgraded power and imaging systems. But that's not all. This professional-class marvel boasts multi-load capabilities, making it versatile for various underwater tasks. The AI-powered features take it to the next level, providing an intelligent and user-friendly experience. Whether you're an ocean enthusiast or a professional diver, 5Fish Go is here to redefine underwater adventures. Smart Helmet Unit 1 Pera, the epitome of style, safety, and technology, offers riders an unparalleled experience. A fully waterproof and highly ventilated helmet that's not just a headgear but a Red Dot award-winning masterpiece. With 500 plus lumens of integrated lights, this helmet ensures you ride safely day or night. Weather monitoring keeps you ahead of the storm, crash detection acts as your guardian angel, and the ABS hardshell and EPS liner provide maximum protection. And the cherry on top? The MIPS safety system, ensuring your safety is always a top priority. Air 2X Microclimate, a full-faced, fully filtered super mask that doesn't just cover your face but seals around your neck too. What makes it stand out? Well, the Air 2 boasts not one, not two, but 4 HEPA filters strategically placed around the frame, working tirelessly to filter at least 96% of those tiny 0.30 particles from both incoming and outgoing air. Now, that's some serious filtration game. It's like having a high-tech shield against the invisible invaders. Hollyland Lark M1. You're a solo creator, capturing the world around you effortlessly. The Lark M1 Solo wireless microphone system is your sidekick, with a compact design that packs a punch. The transmitter rocks a built-in omnidirectional microphone, ensuring your voice is crystal clear. And here's the magic, it syncs seamlessly with the dual-channel receiver. No wires, no fuss, just pure freedom. Whether you're out and about or in the heart of the action, the 2.4 GHz technology keeps you connected.